Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make mixed veg tawa fry. Yes guys, the dish is really very tasty and very yummy and you can just make it in very easy steps. For this dish, basically we require a big tawa to make it. But what if you don't have that? So don't worry, I am going to make the same recipe in a pan or a kadhai using it and you can really have the same taste at home. To make tawa fry, I'll fry all the vegetables. For that I have kept the kadhai to get heated. So I'll now add oil to it. Add ample amount of oil so that the vegetables are fried properly. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Potato, it is generally boiled and used. So I'll fry all the vegetables, even the potato. And that is the best way to use the vegetables. It will enhance the taste. Apart from potato, all other vegetables can be used raw and you can fry them. So first I'll add the brinjals. Fry all the vegetables till they are cooked properly. Along with this, I'll also add the okra, the lady's finger or the bhindi. Just add that so that too gets fried. Okra, I have washed it and have slit it from the center. You can also, if you want, you can cut it just into two parts or you can just give a slit, so that the paste, the masala will just penetrate into it. Now the brinjal has started to get tender. So when it is cooked properly, I'll just remove it from the oil. So now the brinjal and okra are ready. I'll remove it from the oil. Now add the onions. I'll add the onions to the oil and just fry them. So when they are just golden in color, I'll remove the onions from the oil. So the onions are also done. Now add the cauliflower florets to the oil. And now just fry them till they are cooked. So the cauliflower is also ready, removed from the oil. Now this is bitter gourd. You can see I have slit from the center in 4 parts. And now I'll add it to the oil. So now I'll fry this on a high flame till it is cooked. So after the bitter gourd, I'll add the large cubes of capsicum to the oil and I'll fry it. Capsicum doesn't take much time, so just 2 minutes max to max. So the capsicums are also done. I'll just remove it. After the capsicum, add the boiled potatoes. The potatoes are already cooked, it is boiled. So just fry it till it is golden in color. And then I'll remove it from the oil. So once the potatoes are done, it is golden in color, just remove it from the oil. Now to the oil, add the cottage cheese cubes. Don't make it too small, not too big, medium size. Just add to the oil and fry it till it is golden in color. So the cottage cheese is also done. So just remove it from the oil. Now in a heated pan, I have added around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add 2 green chilies. Depending on the spiciness, how much you want it. So I have added 3 to 4. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger. Saute till the raw aroma diffuses. Add 3 medium onions finely chopped. So just add that and saute. Add little bit of salt so that it turns golden brown in color sooner. When the onions are done, add the tomato puree. This is fresh tomato puree. So around half kg of tomato I have just pureed it. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili. So this will just give a nice red color to the dish. And 2 to 2.5 heaped tablespoon of tawa fry masala. So just add that and mix it well. Cook till it starts to leave oil from the sides. Add salt to taste. So once the paste is done, the masala is cooked, add the vegetables to it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Just mix it well. Add around a cup of water and just let it simmer till the water dries out. Now when all the vegetables are done, add the potato, the capsicum, so mix it well. Now finally add the paneer cubes and now mix it very well. The vegetable is ready to serve. Serve it with naans or puris or parathas. It will taste awesome. The vegetable is ready. Garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves. And now it is done. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more and more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.